cuisine and cooking is considered to be the best in the world. Its repertoire includes incredible things like soufflés, mousse, crepes, croissants, French bread. The list is endless. Today on World Kitchen, we discover some of the finest in French cuisine. I'm at Hotel Hilton, Janakpuri with Chef Sanjeev Sharma. And Chef, what is the first thing we're cooking?
What could be better than making a French onion soup in the French cuisine?
Absolutely.
It has got basically three components. One is the base, which is a consomme.
Okay.
Then we got the flavoring, which is onion, as it is named, like French onion soup. So onion is very much there. Then one is known as like very particular thing is a croûte. Just like you've seen the croutons, which is smaller.
Right.
We're gonna make a cheese croûte.
Okay.
Which is an important component of this soup.
Right.
So we're gonna make the three components, then we're gonna arrange them together, and the soup will be ready.
So how do we get to the first step?
The consomme, to make the consomme, we need a beef mince.
Okay.
Then we need eggs. Then we need mealpua. Mealpua is just assorted vegetables like carrots is there, celery is there, leeks are there, onions are there. So mixed together with the eggs. Then the raft comes and all the stock comes out, which is known as consomme.
Okay.
Or if you find it difficult to make the consomme, you can use the stock pills and then you can make the consomme.
Okay, excellent. I'll always go with the stock pills.
Yes.
Right. So we have that there.
Yes.
Okay.
So now we're gonna caramelize the onion. Just to caramelize the onion, we will use the butter. You can control the heat of the butter. Otherwise, it's gonna turn into brown.
Okay.
They'll spoil the taste of your soup. So just melt it. And then we're gonna add the onions. And we have to be very generous when we are cooking the onions.
Okay.
Because the flavor is gonna come from the onion only.
So to say one portion of soup, how many onions are we
Almost
adding?
100 grams of onion
100
we're
grams
supposed
of
to use
onions,
it.
okay. And now we're supposed to caramelize it.
Yes.
Okay.
And just to caramelize it faster, we can add some salt in it.
Okay.
By adding the salt, the onion cooks very fast.
Okay.
This onion will take almost 4 to 5 minutes to get caramelized.
Okay.
And meanwhile, we can prepare our third component, just cheese croûte. The cheese croûte is bigger in size.
Okay.
So can you give me the bread, please?
Absolutely. So we have bread which has been cut up here.
Yes.
In these little round
Yes,
slices.
True. This one we can toast from one side.
Okay.
And other side we have to prepare the mixture with the egg yolk and two types of cheese.
Right.
This is Emmental and Gruyere.
Okay.
So the bread is here with me.
Right.
So now we can make a cheese croûte. Just to prepare the croûte, we will use the egg yolks.
Okay.
One portion of egg yolk, one portion of soup.
Right.
Almost one egg yolk. And 25 gram of Emmental and 25 gram of Gruyere.
Right. So to that we're adding Emmental cheese.
Yes, please.
And if we don't get it, then what do we do?
Then you can use even the Parmesan cheese.
Parmesan.
Yes.
All of it?
No, only half of it.
Okay,
somehow.
then that is
yes.
it. So you've got Emmental cheese here.
Yes.
And
now I want Gruyere cheese.
now if one doesn't get that, then what happens?
Then only one cheese is enough. Then you can use the cheddar cheese.
Okay. So cheddar cheese for this.
Yes.
So this is
That's it. Perfect.
Okay.
Thank you. Now I'm going to mix this one and prepare our mixture.
Right.
That egg yolk will give a binding to the cheese.
Right.
So now it will be easy for us to spread on top of the bread. Then we can toast them in a salamander.
Okay. This looks lovely. It's almost like a burst of sunshine.
Now we add the cheese on top of the croûte.
Right.
And we're going to sprinkle some chopped parsley in it.
There you go.
And now we're going to cook this under the salamander.
And it will end up looking something like this beautiful, crispy, tempting looking slice of bread.
Yes.
Hardly a slice of bread anymore. Okay, so that is done. I can put this away.
Yes, please.
Our onions are being caramelized.
Yes.
Now what
you
do we
can
do?
see the color of the onions.
Right.
Is nice and golden and the
Correct.
crisp. Now we can flavor this with a small amount. Say like for one portion we're going to use almost 20 ml of the red wine.
Okay.
Then we add on the flavor.
Wow.
Now our stock is ready, nice and hot.
Right.
Your onions are ready.
Right.
And our croûte is ready. So we are ready to serve our soup.
To plate it all up.
Yes,
okay.
together.
So here we go. I'm going to keep holding the plate because I'm not letting go of this wonderful opportunity to see it happening right in front of my eyes.
So we're gonna, even if you want, you can put it here.
Okay. That much I can do.
Yes. put the onions in the base.
Okay.
Now can you give me pass me the clue, please?
Absolutely. There you
Yes. And now I'm gonna add the stock.
go. Stock. Wow.
The stock is already seasoned.
Right.
The salt and crushed pepper. And now the cheese cube on top, which is gonna be float. So here is your soup. This is perfectly ready.
This looks lovely and it's steaming hot.